So I thought I'd say a little bit about nails. I hate to waste nails, so when I take them out, they might bend. But if you just roll them so the high point is up and tap them, and then roll them a little bit more, you can straighten them out really good. Now some are tricky, like in this case, it got bent pretty bad, you can see that. But even then, you roll it, straighten it out. And I know maybe this is crazy, I just hate to, I know they can be recycled or just thrown away, but in most cases, I'm not in a rush. I'm not trying to see how much I can do in a day. I'm not competing with anybody, so I tend to just reuse them. I heard one person told me, I don't know how true it is, but when they were traveling west, they would build a house to stay the winter, and then when they left, they'd burn it down, grab all their nails, and then move on. So they had nails to build their next one. They had lots of wood, so the nails were the problem. But that was back when they made them individually. Of course, they're not doing that. These are wire nails now. So that's why they're all totally round and not square. So I'd like to reuse the nails.